What's poppin'? How you doing? In today's video, we'll be unboxing the Adidas Yeezy foam runner in the colorway MX Cinder. As you guys may not know, Adidas have dropped the very last Yeezy inventory and I just have to participate on this. Short story for you, I actually did not know there was a Yeezy day until my cousin was like, "Did you know?" What? I have been wanting to actually buy the foam runner in clay sandy colorway. Before I unbox this, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. I try to post every single week, but sometimes life happens. But come subscribe, it's free 99. Let's unbox this bad boy right here. So this is what the box looks like when it delivered. Nothing crazy, but it is in a good condition, so we're happy. I've heard some issues about shipping, some delays. I am glad that I got mine on time. I didn't have to wait. I think I won the draw on Thursday and I got the shoes the next week. Maybe I waited roughly like a week and a half. That was not bad at all. Look at that. Isn't there like a Yeezy stamp right here? I have bought some Yeezy shoes and this is not what the box looks like. I mean, this is my very first foam runner pair, so let me go Google it. Okay, we're good. It's just kind of weird because it just looks like a regular box. There's your size right there. There's a little bit of writing right there. Also, this weighs very light, so I'm excited to wear them. All right, let's see. Okay, so there is the stamp, but it doesn't say Yeezys, it just says foam. No freaking way. Are you serious? My very first foam runner? I'm just so glad that I didn't have to pay outside retail for this, because you never know when is the next drop, or is there gonna be another drop. It came with this paper tissue right here, right there, foam runner, and right here where you can see the details. That's kind of cool, kind of unique. I've never seen it.
Because this is your first foam runner, Mikey.
Anyways, this Adidas Yeezy's foam runner was released on May 31st, 2023, and it had a retail price of $90. It's just crazy because this whole shoes is literally made out of foam. To the toe box, to the back, to the sole. I can bend it like that and nothing will happen. Wow. This is what the bottom sole looks like. It's just a lot of wavy lines. It's kind of trippy. I feel like I would definitely love it because look at these alien holes or vents, whatever you want to call it. In the summer, it is going to be very, very breathable. And yeah, that is that. So now let's take a closer look of this shoe. The Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner MX Cinder is where high fashion meets innovative comfort. Wrapped in MX Cinder colorway, this pair offers a unique combination of dark, earthy hues, giving it a versatile appeals that equal parts streetwear ready. Constructed with a unique foam compound, the Yeezy Foam Runner conforms to your foot for unparalleled comfort. While it's distinctive, porous design gives off an out-of-this-world vibe. This sneaker pushes the boundaries of traditional footwear aesthetic and function, making it a must-have for trendsetters. With a fashion-forward design, the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner MX Cinder not only elevates your style, but promises ultimate comfort in every step. It really takes your sneaker game into the future. Yeah, let's talk all about that. But let's go ahead and try these in our feet. I cannot wait to just style it and rock it. By the way, this shoes does not come with half sizes, so I suggest if you do have some narrow feet, I would go to true to size. But if you do have some wider feet, I would suggest to go size up. Let's talk about resale. Right now, what I'm seeing, this goes about 135 to 200. That's what I'm seeing as of now. I mean, it's still new in the market. I would definitely say that next year this will be higher than 200. Just like any other foam runner, they go as high as 400 right now. The colorway is crazy. It's so unique. Let's see where this goes next year. And yeah, I think that is it. I have nothing much to say. I just cannot wait to wear this and rock them. What do you guys think about this shoe? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you wear it or would you not? As of now, we love it. So I'll definitely update you guys if something changed. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have not subscribed, go ahead. Like I said, free 99. We do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing on our next video, or Cartier. Not sure which one would I post. But yeah, I'm so pumped to film that video. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, make sure to subscribe. But before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys! So far. Hi. Bye.